In some applications, it is required to continuously supply soft water. In this situation, the users need one in-service and one standby systems. The users can use 2 valves and 2 tanks to make this kind of system, or they can use 1 valve to control 2 tanks to make this kind of one in-service and one standby systems, as this kind of picture shows. In previous, we have 3 models of this kind of valves, F135 and F135 and F188A. For these 3 kind of one in-service and one standby valves, only F173 is top-mounted, and the rest 2 types are side-mounted. For some customers, they will feel inconvenient for the side-mounted connector valves because they need to consider the strainer, the tank, and also the pipeline installation. And these are maybe a little more complicated compared with the top-mounted valves. So in this year, we developed the top-mounted valves. For this kind of valves, the flow rate can reach 10 cubic meters per hour under 3 bar pressure drop. And the 3 bar pressure drop. Also, its inlet and outlet is a 1.5 inch, and the drawing port is a 3/4, and the blowing port is a 1/2 inch. For these valves, it adopts the LED display screens, and also the LED screens is removable, so the users can operate the valves easily. For these valves, the principles, you can refer the principle videos. Here's the video you can check.
System working principle. When U1 tank in service state, U2 tank in standby state, the symbol of service state lights on. At this moment, raw water flows into control valve through water inlet, through main valve core to the top of U1 tank, then to tank. Then down through resin layers to be softened water, through bottle strainer to return to pipeline. Then down through resin layers to be softened water, through bottom strainer to return to resin pipe and up to valve body. Finally flow out from water outlet through main valve core. When U1 tank service flow rate reduces to 0, the regeneration motor controlled by main control board drives the big gear to rotate, and also drives moving disc, which is fixed with a shaft. With the change of relative angles of moving disc and fixed disc, the flow channels has been changed. U2 tank starts to faster rings. The symbol of faster ring state lights on. Raw water flows into control valve through water inlet. One part through main valve core to the top of U1 tank, then to tank. Then down through resin layers to be softened water, through bottom strainer to return to resin pipe, and up to main valve core, finally flow out from water outlet. Another part through regeneration valve core, valve body to main valve core, past connecting pipeline to U2 tank, down through resin layers, then through bottom strainer to resin pipe, upward to connecting pipeline through main valve core, valve body to regeneration valve core, finally flow out from drain outlet. When faster rinse time reduces to 0, then it is over. Program control valve switch service and regeneration tank. U1 tank backwash, U2 tank service. The symbol of backwash lights on.
For the valves, for the one in service and one standby valves, and for the LED screens, it will show two tanks different status, like one tank is a service or another tank is a backwash. It can the detailed information will be shown in the LED screens. Before the one tank go to the service status, it will go to the faster rinse firstly. After you open the front cover and the dust cover, you will see the circuit board. For the circuit board, it also has the remote handling connectors and also has the signal output connectors. So the remote handling connectors, you can connect with the PLC and the online monitoring device to control the valve to start regeneration. For the signal output connectors, you can connect with the ball valve, solenoid valve, and the water pump to control this device to work.